Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting exercise 9.2 question number 4 from the chapter areas of parallelograms and triangles. So this is question number 4 कि in the given figure P is a point in the interior of a parallelogram ABCD. कोई पैरेललोग्राम है ABCD, उसके इंटीरियर में यानी अंदर की तरफ कोई एक पॉइंट P है. दिस इज द फिगर. दिस इज द फिगर ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम ABCD. इसके इंटीरियर में कोई पॉइंट है P. दिस इज द पॉइंट P इंटीरियर इन द पैरेललोग्राम. Is it there? To prove that area of APB plus PCD is equal to half of area ABCD, and the second part is given area of APD plus PBC. APD plus PBC is equal to area of APB plus PCD. So what you have to prove? We have to prove the first part, area of APB. APB plus area of CPD or PCD is equal to half of area ABCD, and this is the second part which you have to prove, that is area of APD plus area of PBC is equal to area of this first one, APB plus area of PCD. This you have to prove. This you have to prove. Okay. So now just look here. Let's see our construction. This red color is my construction, this one. We have drawn this line parallel to this. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F. E, F. Draw what? EF parallel to CD. This will imply that since this DC is parallel to AB, this will imply that all these three lines are parallel. Which one? AB parallel, EF parallel, DC. Is it there? Now since ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore AD parallel BC. Now just look at the proof. Since ABCD is parallelogram. Therefore, AD will be parallel to BC. AD will be parallel to BC. And then if AB will be parallel to BC, therefore DE will be parallel to CF. DE will be parallel to CF and this AE parallel BF. AE parallel BF. Suppose this is equation number second and this was equation number 1. Now just look here. From equation first and second. Just look at the equation first and the second. AB parallel EF. AB parallel EF and AE parallel BF. Is it there? First thing is this. The AB parallel. What is there? AB parallel EA. AB parallel EF. And what is the second thing? AE parallel BF. AE parallel BF. Both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. It means this ABFE is a parallelogram. ABFE is a parallelogram. ABFE is parallelogram. Is it there? Now ABFE is a parallelogram. Therefore, area of this triangle APB. APB will be equal to half of the area of parallelogram. Which one? ABFE. ABFE. Okay. This is equation number 3rd. And what is the reason behind this? If a parallelogram and the triangle are on the same base and they lie between the same parallels, then the area of triangle is half of the area of parallelogram. Is it there? So what is the common base here? What is the same base? Just look at the triangle AB. Common base is AB. And what are those two parallels? AB parallel EF. AB parallel EF. Similarly, this one DCFE is parallelogram. Same in this way. Similarly, DCF is also a parallelogram. Therefore, again this is a parallelogram. DCFE is a parallelogram. Therefore, area of this triangle DPC. Area of triangle DPC will be half of the area. This one. Which one? DCFE. DCFE. This is equation number 4. And same reason is there. कि parallelogram and triangles are on the same base CD and the parallels are DC and EF because they have the common base. What is the common base? This one, DC. And the parallels are DC parallel, this one. DC parallel EF. DC parallel EF. Is it okay? Now add equation 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4. Adding equations 3 and 4. Just look at the left hand side. What is there? area of triangle APB plus area of triangle DPC is equal to area of half of area of this one. Which one? ABEF plus half of area this one DC ABFE. ABFE is this ABFE plus area of DCFE. Is it there? Just adding equation 3 and 4. We will add the left hand side. APB plus area of triangle DPC is equal to half of area ABFE plus half of area DCFE. Just take 1 upon 2 common. So what you will get? 1 upon 2. This is area of which one? ABFE plus area which one? This one DCFE, that is 1 upon 2. Now just look here, area of ABFE, this is ABFE, this is only ABFE and plus this one. So what is this full? ABCD. Area of ABFE plus area of DCFE is equal to the area of ABCD. Half of area ABCD. This is the proof of part 1. Therefore, area of triangle APB plus area of triangle DPC will be half of area ABCD. Okay. Now again look for the second part. For the second part, just draw this figure again. ABCD. Here is the point P. This is point P. This is point P. Now what will the construction in this part? We will draw a line parallel here. This radius line. A, B, C, D, F. This G, H. We draw this line parallel to this. Parallel to this. Okay. This is the proof of past first and for the proof of part second. Just look in the same manner. What is here? Construction. Draw this GH parallel AD. So this will imply that AD parallel GH parallel BC. All these three lines will be parallel. Okay, because ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore this line is parallel to this and this AD is parallel to GH. Therefore, all these three lines AD, GH and BC, they will be parallel to each other. Again, since ABCD is parallelogram, therefore AB parallel DC. If AB parallel DC, therefore AG parallel DH and this GB parallel what? HC. Suppose this is equation number 5 and this is second. What will happen? From equation 5 and 6, what will be there? This AGHD, AGHD and BCHG, या GBCH are parallelograms. Same in this manner, this AGHD and GBCH, they are parallelograms. They are parallelograms. Now, area of triangle APD will be half of area, this one, AGHD. AGHD. Is it there? And this is equation number 7. What is the reason behind this? Because this triangle APD and the parallelogram AGSD are on the same base AD, because they have the common base. Which one? AD. And the parallels are AD parallel GH, AD parallel GH. So that's the reason the area of APD will be half of the area of AGHD. Now, just look. Now, the triangle BPC or CBP is equal to half of the area of this parallelogram GBCH, because they have the common base BC and the parallel lines GH parallel BC, and area of triangle BPC. BPC will be half of the area of this one. Which one? GBCH. GBCH, and this is equation number 8. What is the reason behind this? If they have the common base. Common base is what? Just look there. This one, that BC. This BC is the common base for this triangle as well as for this parallelogram. And the parallel lines are this GH parallel BC. GH parallel BC. Just look here. This line GH and BC are parallel. Now, in the same manner, adding these two equations 7 and 8. Adding equation 7 and 8. What we will get? Just look here. Area of APD. Left hand side we will add area of triangle BPC. We can take half common, and what will be here? Area AGHD plus area GBCH. GBCH. Now just look here. half into area. ABHD, this is ABSD, this portion ABSD plus GBCH, this is again ABCD. This is half of area ABCD, and let this is equation number B, capital B. Now just look here, equation number A here and equation number B. Just look at these two equations. Area of APD plus area of BPC. Just look at equation capital A and from equations B. From equations capital A and capital B. Just look here. What about the right hand side? What is the right hand side of this equation? Half of ABCD, and here is also half of ABCD. Since the right hand sides are equal, therefore the left hand side will also equal. So what will happen? Area of triangle APB, area of triangle APB plus area of triangle this one DPC, DPC will be equal to this one, area of triangle APD plus area of triangle this one BPC, BPC, and this is the proof of the second part. This is the proof of the second part of the question. Now this is question number 6. A farmer was having a field in the form of a parallelogram PQRS. कोई फार्मर है, उसके पास एक फील्ड है, एक खेत है, पैरेललोग्राम PQRS. She took any point capital A on RS and joined it to points P and Q. उसने क्या किया कि RS साइड पे कोई पॉइंट A लिया और उसको P and Q से ज्वाइन कर दिया. She took any point capital A on side RS and joined them into the points P and Q. Now the question is this: in how many parts the field is divided and what are the shapes of these parts? Now just look here. अब ये फील्ड कितने पार्ट में डिवाइड हो गया? In how many parts the field is divided now? These 3 parts, and the shapes, they are triangular. The field is divided into 3 triangular parts. Okay, which are those 3 triangular parts? Triangle APS, triangle part APQ, and this one ARQ. ARQ. In these 3 parts the field is divided now. इन 3 ट्रायंगुलर पार्ट में जो है फील्ड जो है आपका डिवाइड हो गया. अब क्वेश्चन इज दिस: द फार्मर वांट्स टू सो व्हीट एंड पल्सेज इन इक्वल पोर्शन ऑफ द फील्ड. हाउ शुड सी डू इट? अब वो फार्मर क्या चाहती है कि इस फील्ड के इक्वल पोर्शन में व्हीट और पल्स को लगाया जाए, यानी सो मीन्स उसको बुआई की जाए इक्वल पोर्शन में व्हीट और पल्स की, यानी गेहूं और दालों की इक्वल पोर्शन में जो है बुआई की जाए, सोइंग की जाए. तो कि वो कैसे करेगी? तो नाउ जस्ट लुक हियर. सिंस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, विच वन? APQ will be half of the area of which one? PQRS, because the triangle APQ and the parallelogram PQRS having the same base PQ and PQ is parallel RS or SR, because they are the triangle on same base and between the same parallel. Again, just look here. Now tell one more thing. Just look at these three parts. Area of triangular part APS plus area of triangular part APQ plus area of triangular part ARQ. Just look here. This part plus this part plus this part, area of these three parts will be equal to the whole parallelogram. Area of parallelogram PQRS. Is it there? Now from equation first, put in place of APQ. This APQ can be replaced with half of the area PQRS. So what will happen? Area of triangle APS plus last one, area of triangle ARQ plus half of area PQRS will be equal to area of parallelogram PQRS. Is it there? This will be there. Now just shift this half of area PQRS to the right hand side. So what will happen? Area of triangle APS plus area of triangle ARQ will be area of parallelogram PQRS minus half of area of parallelogram PQRS. This whole area of parallelogram PQRS minus half of the area of the parallelogram, this will be equal to half of the area of parallelogram PQRS. Suppose this is equation number 3rd. Area of triangle APS plus area of triangle ARQ is what? Half of the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Now just look here. This equation number 1 and equation number 3rd. Just look at their right hand sides. The right hand sides are equal. Therefore, the left hand side will also be equal. So what will happen? Area of triangular part APS plus area of triangular part, this one ARQ. ARQ will be equal to area of triangular part, this one. Which one? APQ. Is it there? यानी अगर इसका एरिया x है और इसका एरिया y है तो इन दोनों का एरिया किसके बराबर होगा? x प्लस y. यानी इफ द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल इज x एंड दिस ट्राइंगल इज y, देन द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल APQ विल बी x प्लस y. क्वेश्चन इज दिस कि वो जो फार्मर है वो इक्वल पोर्शन में व्हीट एंड पल्सेस शो करना चाहती है, तो कैसे करेगी वो? अब या तो वो इस ट्राइंगल और इस ट्राइंगल में व्हीट डालेगी और इस ट्राइंगल APQ में पल्सेस डालेगी, या फिर इसमें x यानी दिस ट्राइंगल और दिस ट्राइंगल में वो क्या करेगी? पल्सेस डालेगी और यहाँ व्हीट डालेगी, या इधर वाले पोर्शन में दिस ट्रायंगुलर रीजन एंड दिस ट्रायंगुलर शी विल शो द व्हीट एंड इन दिस ट्रायंगुलर रीजन APQ शी विल शो द पल्सेस. So in this way, she can do it. So now what will happen? Now either she will show weight in triangular region where APS and ARQ. Either she will show weight in triangular region APS and ARQ and pulses in triangular region APQ or she will show pulses in these two regions or she will show pulses in triangular region where this APS and ARQ and weight in this middle one APQ, weight in APQ. So in this way she can do it. Now that's all for today. Thank you very much.